MemeFi has successfully distributed token to those who are eligible and qualified for their airdrop. So, for those of you that want to claim your airdrop, these are the information you need to do. And for those of you using OKX, this is just what you need to do. If you come here to your airdrop section, if you come to your airdrop section, you are going to see, okay, before I go into that, please, I will advise you don't stake your coin. Please, it's 30 days period. And 30 days to the listing time, when you look at it, it's not worth it. By the time they will release this coin, the coin might be worthless after that. Please don't stake your coin. So when you come here, or you scroll down, you are going to see your allocated coin. Then when you come down here, you are going to see claim off-chain. And the only option that is available as at now is OKX. So for those of you in Nigeria, you might not be able to claim it now. So other exchanges, I believe, will be added like Get.io, Bybit, BitGet, and the like. So now if you click here, for those of you that have the OKX account, so you are going to click. Then if you look at the information they said OKX exchange, not wallet. Please get your airdrop directly to your OKX exchange. Exchange is different from wallet. Please don't mistake it. So when you click on claim to off-chain, so you'll be required to provide your OKX ID, then your deposit address. That's MemeFi deposit address. So if you go to your MemeFi, you are going to see your deposit address from go to asset, then you search for you click on deposit under asset. So you're going to search for MemeFi. You're going to copy the wallet address, place it there. Then your OKX ID, you also copy, then you paste it there. Then after, then you click on continue. For those of us that our exchange is not yet here, so all you need to do is to wait. Then another option that they put here is claim to Web3. That's Web3 wallet, maybe OKX wallet and the like. So I believe that more clarity will be given in the course of time. So do well to subscribe to our channel so that we can give you update and guide you on how to get it done once other exchanges have been added. You get that. So more importantly, I know some of you are disappointed by the allocation you were given, but I want to assure you, if you can learn how to trade, it will go a long way to help you. So I'm giving a free signal to my followers in my Telegram channel. So check the link in the description of this video and make sure you join my Telegram channel. I'm giving you the signal for free. You don't need to pay for it. The one we shared about a week ago, a lot of people made 200%. The one we shared, I think, some weeks ago, 800%. So these signals are for free. And the coin we are introducing are coins that we're not posting random coin. We are coins that are tested and trusted. So link in the description to join the Telegram channel. See you next time for more exciting updates.